Number 1 folds, what do I see? A fox appears so playfully.
Number 2 bends, flap and sway. An elephant comes out to play.
Number 3 folds, long and tall. A giraffe is walking proud of all. Number 4 twists, roar so loud. A lion stands up big and proud.
Number 5 folds, slip and glide.
A penguin waddles side to side.
Hold, play, count with me. Origami friends, 1, 2, 3.
Number 6 bends, clap, clap, cheer. A seal pops up with a happy ear.
Number 7 folds, hop, hop, hop. A kangaroo jumps and just won't stop.
Number 8 folds, hoo, hoo, hoo. An owl is watching me and you.
Number 9 folds, ears so high. A rabbit hops as time goes by.
Number 10 folds, strong and round. A bear comes stomping on the ground.
Fold and play, count with me. Origami friends, 1, 2, 3.
Number 11 folds, stripe by stripe. A zebra runs so fast and hype.
Number 12 folds, snap, snap, snap. A crocodile claps its paper flap.
Number 13 folds, orange bright. A tiger growls with paper might.
Number 14 folds, wagging tail. A puppy runs with a happy trail.
Number 15 folds, soft and sweet. A kitty purrs, meow so neat.
Fold and play, count with me. Origami friends, 1, 2, 3.
Number 16 folds, gallop free. A horse runs fast with energy.
Number 17 folds, swing so high. A monkey laughs and climbs the sky.
Number 18 folds, quack, quack, quack. A duck swims down the paper track.
Number 19 folds, colors show. A parrot sings, hello, hello.
Number 20 folds, snowy white. A polar bear smiles in the light.
Fold and play, count with me. Origami friends, 1, 2, 3.
Numbers turn, animals cheer.
Origami fun is here.
AlmaaZing tunes.